Okay, next, Mama Adia. I remember she called me. She's in Richmond. I believe she's in here. I saw her earlier. She has her own school there, homeschool group there. And I want to say, we usually get the call from parents, homeschoolers when they kind of need just something a little bit different for their students for various reasons. And I want to announce that Asasie, Mama Adia's daughter, had a great accomplishment this year. And I want to say just a little bit about a special class before I bring her on. It's this class called Writers and Publishers. I think that's what it's called. It's taught by Baba Bioku, Dubiemi. That class is so exciting because the students are writing and publishing their own books, and he helps them get their Library of Congress numbers. They get a marketing plan. They're all about doing it. And for the students who are not actively writing books, they're learning how to do it. And he actually has them think about it from a standpoint of something they can do actually to bring money to their families, which I think is so wonderful and such a mature way for them to relate to themselves in regards to their family. And we had one student, Aza, who's from Pennsylvania. She started with us when she was 9. The way this, partly how this class came about was she let me know that she didn't want Aza to do her language arts with us this year. She wanted to do the rest of the schedule. She wanted to be full time, but she wanted to take some time and get a tutor to help her publish a book that she'd been working on since she was 5. So does everybody get it? Like she's about, I think Oz is about 10 or 11 now. She's been working on a book since she was 5, writing the book. And so Baba Bayaku stepped up to teach this class. Of course, Oz came back to it. And Brother Taliki, I'm thinking about him. That guy's writing, and we learned that he has an older sister who's doing his illustrations. So just a lot of energy in there, a lot coming out. And Sister Sasie, Mama Adia's daughter, actually finished her book in time for Kwanzaa. It was a Kwanzaa book too, so we're so proud of that. Sister Mama Adia, please.
Chiamo, greetings to everyone. Again, again, Mama Fee and Baba Wekesa, we cannot express. I just echo all the other parents from all the different walks and all the different times and all the different babies and children who have been entrusted into your care, and that you continue to return to us as glorious and magnificent as we brought them to you in the first place. And Baba Wekesa, I don't know if we got a chance to tell you, but Hindu just recently came through a surgery and found out that he has a bionic part as well. And so
we got to talk.
So the same thing is occurring. But I just what I appreciate about what you all and all of the people that you have amassed and Aya have done is supported it. You've built something that supports our own family missions, whether it's known or not. And I know when you speak to the ancestors that are guiding Aya, that those things are deliberate. I had been putting around in my own homeschool. We have a homeschool cooperative, and then of course we're homeschooling at home, and that's like spinning a bunch of plates. And my assignment every week on the sheet was like, okay, let's do these books. Let's make sure we get these books finished. But it wasn't until Asase sat down in Baba Bayoku's class where he was like, did you go file your paperwork? Do you have this? Have you done your editing? Do you have your pictures to go with this? That it really made Kendu and I be like, did we do it? That's not done. And Asase stayed on us to make sure that it got done. I'm actually sitting here trying to figure out whether I need to throw the 9-year-old in the class to get her book finished. But it's been a very big blessing. And I know you all hear this all the time, but another thing that I can't say enough, and I will continue to repeat this story, is when, sorry, I'm trying not to burn a pie. It's when Asase was in class with Mama Evelyn in algebra, and she started to get choked up. All the rest of those children in class started telling her, you can do it. You're okay, Asase. You got this. And I was in tears. I had to oh my goodness. We say all the time in our house in Fahodi Shule, we say that the biggest goal that we have in our children's education is for them to be African men and women of good character. And that spoke bunches, that those children decided to like stop everything, that Mama Evelyn allowed the space, and that they did that. That was magnificent. So I'm very, very grateful. And Mama Kali, it's good to see you. I just called the children like, is that your teacher from the summer? So again, thank you all for continuing community and making it so that we can see the people that we're continuing to build community with, whether we see them in person or not. So Madasi, pa, 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 pa.
You know, at Adia, we always remember that